amazing people, welcome back to Lola's recipe. Thank you so much for tuning in this recipe. In today's recipe, I'll be sharing with you how to prepare okra soup without using oil. This is oil-free okra soup. If you want to know how I achieve this delicious soup, please keep watching. And if you are new to this channel, my name is Lola. You are most welcome. Please do not forget to subscribe to support this channel. Please guys, let's get started. Here I have some fresh okra. In this plate I have some smoked turkey, goat meat. I have my all-purpose seasoning, some shrimps and prawns. Yeah, here I have my mackerel fish. In this bowl I have some crayfish, bell peppers, onions, scotch bonnet, and seasonings. Here I have this spring grain, vegetable, and mushroom. Now I will start by steaming the proteins. I will add salt to the goat's meat. I will add blended onion, scotch bonnet, garlic, ginger, and I'm going to mix these together. I'm going to steam this without adding water for about 10 minutes. So next I will season the mackerel fish as well with some salt with the same seasoning that I've used for the goat's meat. Okay, I'm using salt, some aroma stock seasoning. I will add the blended peppers, onion, garlic, ginger, and scotch bonnet. Yes, I'm going to set it aside. Next, I will start by slicing the mushroom. I've washed this thoroughly with some vinegar and water. Okay, I will slice the mushroom this way. You can get the sliced one from store, but I always go for this because of the quantity I will get after I've sliced the mushroom. Okay, so after slicing this mushroom, I'm going to set it aside, and I'm going to pour hot water. Yeah, once I pour hot water in this mushroom, I'm going to set it aside for about 5 minutes to steam to get rid of the black water from mushroom. I don't like it at all. Next, it is time to cut and slice the okra. Okay, I will take off the okra bottom or the head. I don't know which one is the bottom. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about, right? Okay, I'm going to cut it into two. So I will use my food processor to blend some while I will slice the rest. Okay, so here are the okras. I will set aside the one that I don't want to blend. I will use my food processor to roughly blend the some of the okras. Yes. So at this stage, I finished blending the okra. Here I have this smoked turkey in the pot. I will go ahead and add some blended scotch bonnets, and I'm going to steam it for about 6 minutes. Here I have my bell pepper. I'm using red bell peppers. I will go ahead and blend it, and I will pour the blended bell peppers into the turkey which I've already steamed. At this stage, I will stir together a little bit and we start the cooking. All right, I will have this aroma stock seasoning. I will have shrimps seasoning. Here I have this locust beans. I'm sorry, I didn't mention that earlier. I'm using locust beans. I'm going to cook this for about 5 to 6 minutes. At this stage, I will go ahead and add the proteins, the goat's meat, and the rest of the proteins. Next, I will add the shrimps and prawn. I will add the crayfish. I'm going to stir this together. This is the first time I will be cooking oil with an okra without adding oil. So let's see how it goes. So okay, I've been cooking this for about 5 minutes now. I will go ahead and add the mackerel fish. Remember, I've steamed the mackerel fish, but I just need to add it to the stew so that the stew can um get into the fish, alright, so that the fish won't be looking white inside the okra soup. Once I finish adding the fish, I will cover again to cook for about 5 minutes. Then I will take out the fish because I don't want the fish to pieces inside the soup, so I have to take it out. If this soup is for just only me, maybe I will leave the fish, but my children will be eating from this and I don't want bones to, pieces inside the soup. At this stage, after removing the fish, I will go ahead and add the blended okra and I'm going to stir this together. Next, I will add the mushroom. I love mushroom in my okra soup. Honestly, I love it. Always use it. Now I will add some diced bell peppers for color. I just love to add that. Sometimes I just use minced bell pepper, okay, just to make it look beautiful and more attractive to eat. Remember, we are not using oil. So at this stage, I will add the sliced okra. I will add the vegetables as well, the spring green vegetables. You can use spinach and you can use pumpkin leaf as well. I'm going to stir this together. Wow, this is looking so beautiful and looking so inviting. Can you see that? Can you see, guys? Wow, I just love the color. Now I will add some grounded crayfish. That is very important. I divided my crayfish into two, so I grounded the half of it, which I just had right now. At this stage, it is time to add fish. Yeah, it is time to add the mackerel fish. Guys, at this stage I will taste for salt and adjust if it is needed. And the soup is ready. Can you see this? Oh my god, I can't believe I just cooked without oil. I'm so happy and this really good. Tastes super delicious and yummy. Trust me guys, if you give it a try, you're going to love it. If you watch this video to this extent, thank you so much for watching. God bless you for your time. Thank you for your amazing support. If you haven't subscribed yet, please kindly subscribe to support this channel, guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.